Someone like Henry T. Wooster is to leave our country. If he wants to learn how to work as a diplomat, he should be calling Dan Foote. Dan Foote is a great diplomat. He knows how to work as a diplomat. He knows his limit. He knows what to say. He knows what to do. More importantly, when he's not in his own country. Henry T. Wooster should call Dan Foote to ask him to teach him some lesson. Because don't tell me the way that you talk in Haiti is a diplomat talks. No. Diplomats work differently. Diplomats know how to respect people, how to respect sovereign country, how to deal with other nation. It's like any diplomat. When they come to Haiti, as soon as they know they came from the USA, they come to dictate anyone. You are the president, you are the prime minister, they do the same thing. Even those presidents they put together with CARICOM, they keep dictating them. Sometimes they fight together when some of them believes enough is enough. We are not in war. We never been in war to any country. Only for the first time when we fought for our freedoms. We fought for countries to be free, to live as a human. They've heard that Haitian people is going to take over. Why are we receiving warships? Why? I believe it's a big mistake because the USA believes they have it all. They cannot compare it to any other country. Whatever they want, they're going to do it. Look what's happening in Haiti. We have 2 or 3 ships in Haiti. Why don't they take them to Iran's country? Why don't they take them to North Korean country? Why? Because they heard Haitian people is going to take over. Haitian people believe in the revolution's movement. They come to intimidate Haitian people to make sure they protect all yes men, all they puppets they have in place. And I do believe one day you are going to pay for it. This country will pay for all of this one day. That's why I'm sending a clear message to all great US personality, all Christians in the USA. It's time to stand up, because when he is to pay, all of you are going to pay. That's your time to stand up, to say no. You cannot accept your country, your very successful country, your richest country on earth, keep destroying the poorest country, Haiti. They've been there for decades. None of Haitian people has learned how to make even a bicycle go to sea for a motorcycle. They keep saying, we come to help Haitian people. If you come to help Haitian people, why don't you go to towns, place to place, to ask Haitian people, what is it you want us to do for you? In what you want us to help you? Why don't you do that? That was so funny. the director of war, sends ship in Haiti. It would have been better to send them to China's country, to North Korean country. We're not in war. All we want is a break. Our country needs a break. Don't stay there destroying our country. If you come to kill gangs, go kill them. In fact, you're not going to kill them because they work for you. Yeah. You want to keep them even though they don't obey like they've been obeying you before. They've been following your order in the past. You always want to keep them as the last option. Enough is enough. Our people deserve to live. If you want to help Haitian people, ask Haitians what they want. And I'm sure they are going to say, they want Giflet. They've been saying that over and over. Why it's so difficult to be heard? Why it's so difficult to understand? Haiti belongs to Haitian people, not to any of you. Stop destroying our country. Head back home. You have one of the richest country on earth. You have one of the very successful country. Go enjoy it. Leave Haiti for Haitian people. You always pretend that you love Haitian, but you just fake it. That's so funny. The other day, I've heard Marco Rubio saying that he was planning to bring troops in Haiti. Why? Haiti is his first options. Why not Cuba? Your ancestor came from Cuba. If you believe bringing troops to other country is a salvation, bring them to your country. Bring them to Cuba. And I want to say this respectfully. Stop loving Haiti. If you want to love, if you want to prove other country, your humanitarians help, take it to Cuba. Hypocrite. Hypocrite. You know it's not good for Haitian people. You know. Bringing troops in Haiti is not the solution. It's like you, like Harry Prince. One time, I heard this guy saying, if those countries cannot govern themselves, he has to go and colonize them. He has to go to govern them because their president cannot govern their country. Some of you might believe, yeah, at the time that he's gone there, he's going to take a lot of money with him to help this country. No. This guy has contract for a bunch of money. He has contracts in Haiti. He will be the one who collects taxes in Haiti. I'm wondering if you, Eric Prince, Henry T. Wooster, do you have family? I'm wondering, you, Eric Prince, Henry T. Wooster, do you have colleagues that started together with you? All of you should do something that they could be proud of you. Not the way that you're acting. How cynical are you two? How cynical are you two? You know you don't come to Haiti to help Haitian people. But you pretend to love Haiti more than Haitian people. How cynical are you? I'm talking to all of you. I'm talking to you, Henry T. Wooster. I'm talking to you, Harry Prince. I'm talking to all U.S. great personality. I'm talking to all U.S. Christians. Remember, you have a rich country. You have a very successful country. You have more reason to be conceited, to stand up, to say no. For all American well-being, for all American great personality, for all good Christians in the USA, you have to stand up the same way you used to say, we are the people. Stand up together and stop your administration. Haiti needs a break. Haitian people have been saying over and over, they won't give a lip. No, they won't give a lip. 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 Because they believe give a lip is a very dependable leader for Haitians' prosperity. They believe Giflip loves his country. Not like those puppets, like those yes men who don't care for Haitians' life. Look at Haiti. Haitian people don't know where to go. Haitian people cannot live in their own country. And all of you keep watching your administration destroying countries, killing people. You don't say not even a word. All of you are hypocrite. Why such hatred towards Haitian people? Are we the one who killed Martin Luther King? Are we the one who always stood up against your prosperity? Why such hatred toward Haitian people? This call is for all of you, all U.S. citizens, all U.S. great personality, those who say they are stickler of the rules, those who say we are Christians, we love everybody. Stand up. It is the time to stand up to say no. It is the time to stop your administration. It is the time to call out your administration to stop destroying countries. My last word for all of you is to call all U.S. representatives in Haiti to walk away from our country. Tell them Haiti belongs to Haitian people, not to any U.S. administrations. And remember, they came from a great country. They came from a rich country. They came from a very successful country. They don't have to keep destroying Haitian people for their own resources. It's time to go home and leave Haitian people to choose their own destiny, to choose their own leader, Giflip, to lead our country, creating prosperity for all Haitian people.